Hello everyone. Today I will just make crispy and yummy prantas with this grated cauliflower. I have first washed cauliflower in plain cold water, then rinsed in boiling salty water. Then I have grated cauliflower and just rinse all the excess water. And here I have chopped green chilies, some coriander leaves and curry leaves, and here I have chopped onions and little bit of ginger, and I have mixed already salt to taste. And here I am going to mix now powder spices. I have added in these grated onions, cumin seeds, carom seeds and fennel seeds. I have already added, and we will mix all these ingredients and we'll serve these prantas with this fresh homemade ginger and lemon pickle and butter on top. We will serve these prantas, and I'm going to mix this mixture of grated cauliflower to make stuffing of these cauliflower stuffed पराठास. गोभी के स्वादिष्ट पराठा बनाने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले गोभी को अच्छी तरह धो लेना है. उसके बाद उबले हुए पानी से हम उसको निकाल लेंगे और कद्दूकस करने के बाद दोनों हथेलियों में रख के अच्छी तरह से प्रेस करके उसका पानी को निकाल कर हम इस तरह से धनिया और अनियन, जिंजर सबको मिक्स करेंगे. अपने स्वादानुसार मसाले डालकर अजवाइन और सौंफ और कड़ी पत्ता और धनिए के पत्ते इसमें चॉप करके डाल देंगे और ये हमारा मिक्सचर तैयार हो गया फॉर स्टफिंग ऑफ गोभी का पराठा. In this way we will make with this stuffing yummy cauliflower stuffed parathas. Now our mixture is ready. Let us start with the process. And here I have just made a dough with this wheat flour. So here I will just switch on the gas first. Here I will just take a little bit of kneaded dough and we'll just make a little ball with this kneaded dough as per your requirement. If you want to make big parathas, you can make a big ball of this kneaded dough. I have just taken this much and just wrap in with this dry flour so it will be rolled easily without any breakage. And here you can see I have just drained all the excess water of this cauliflower. And here we will just roll thick, little bit thick we have to roll. In this way, just roll like this, and you can apply little bit of butter to make it soft and crispy, yummy. And this much of stuffing, handful of this grated cauliflower, just keep in the center. just close this wrap and the stuffing like this, and sprinkle again little bit of dry flour, and now we will just roll gently so our stuffing will not come out. Just sprinkle little bit of dry flour if required. In this way you can easily roll this. In this way I have just rolled this, and I will just put on this heated tawa. And you can make 2 pranthas at a time on both the tawas. I will try making 2 at a time. Again I am going to roll this, and I will stop for the second one. Apply little bit of butter, and now again take handful of this stuffing and put in the center. If required, you can just place this dough in the center and just close the wrap with stuffing like this. This one I am going to big one, and change the side of this. I have changed the side, and there our second tawa is being heated. Sprinkle little bit of dry flour and just roll it gently. You can shallow fry with little bit of olive oil or any edible oil, or you can just roast without oil and serve with butter on top. It's up to you. I have rolled the second one. This is a big one. I am going to put on the other tawa, on this heated one, and I will just cover it with the lid. And here our prantha is getting ready. I will apply little bit of olive oil. Just to take the prantha, and our oil will be spread all over evenly. And when we shallow fry with little oil, our paratha will be more crispy. And our this paratha is ready. And I will choose. Other one is here. Now I am going to change the side. I have just changed the side and again cover with the lid. Here I am going to dish out. This paratha is ready, yummy and crispy. One paratha is ready. Just have a close look. Just pour little bit of oil as per your requirement and just shallow fry this yummy paratha and just rotate it like this. And on the other side you can pour little bit more olive oil. And just have a look. Our paratha is being roasted, shallow fry. इस तरह थोड़ा थोड़ा घी लगाकर आप पराठे को शैलो फ्राई कर सकते हैं और विदाउट शैलो फ्राई ऑल्सो यू कैन मेक यम्मी स्टफ्ड पराठास. Just use spatula to save your fingers from being burnt. You can just now we will serve our parathas here. I will just clean the surface. I will just keep it here. It will be warm. Our big yummy paratha is also ready. Second one. And we will serve our paratha with little bit of butter on top. Serve with butter and pickle. This one is lemon pickle. Our yummy hot parathas are ready. Just two pranthas are ready. You have watched cauliflower stuffed yummy and crispy, fried little bit with olive oil, very crispy and yummy. Now ready to eat with butter and lemon pickle. This one is homemade lemon pickle, and I have ginger pickle also, and red chili pickle also. And enjoy your gobi ka paratha with butter and lemon and ginger pickle and red chili pickle. And how it looks from inside, I will just take a bite for you. You can just see the stuffing. Yummy stuffing from inside. That's all how you can just make your stuffed cauliflower parathas. Thanks for watching. Bye.